Hello everyone, Pyro Colts fan 260 here, back with my sixth and final demo of tonight. As you see, we did the rocket, the 1-inch bore Roman candles, the banger candles, ka-chows. We did a lights out, and we did a comparison with the Red Dawn and the Mario Brothers. So, with the well-deserved victory today, this is my finale demo. This is an OG. My buddy picked this out. He said he wanted to do it. We all know what this one is. The sick wrap, the sick artwork. We have Titan Attack, 100 shot beast. This is our Victory Sunday finale. Like I said, sorry Steelers fans, but you know, we needed this. So here we go. Without further ado, this is Titan Attack, 100 shots. Here we go. Go Colts, baby. Let's do this. Here we go. That is a smacker. Yes, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is Titan Attack. All right, Colts fans, this was for you tonight. So you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you like this comment. And here I say, go Colts, baby. Let's go.